Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download and access the Postpay app on Android or iOS. So to download and access the Postpay apps on your Android device or iOS, you can just follow the steps that I'm going to show you through this video. First, you need to download the Postpay app. So tap on the Google Play Store icon on your device if you are on Android, or App Store if you are using iOS. And then you can just search for Postpay. Click on a search and tap on the search column at the top and search for Postpay. This one. This one's right here. You can just tap on install and wait until the installation process is finished. Okay, so once the app is installed, you can just tap on open. And in here, to access the Postpay app, you can just tap on the open or tap on the Postpay icon to launch it. And in here, you just need to log in or register. If you have an existing account, you can just enter your name, username and password, and then tap on login or continue. But if you are a new user, then you just need to register and follow the prompts to create a new account. And you'll need to provide personal information, including your name, surname, and tax code. So you need to also set up a post ID. So for enhanced security and easier access, it's recommended to set up post ID or post Italian's digital identity systems. So this will allow you for quick authentication using a personal code or biometric data. And if you want to manage your Postpay card, you can so in Postpay you can view balance and track sanction. So once you log in, you can check your card balance and review recent transaction. You can also top up your card, so you'll easily add funds to your Postpay card directly through the app. And then you can also adjust the settings such as payment and withdrawal limits, enable or disable online transaction, and set geographic usage preferences. And so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.